Tired of squinting at your phone screen for your Clash Royale fix? Today, we're unlocking the power of your PC to dominate the arena. First things first, we need to get an Android emulator. Think of it as a virtual Android device running right on your computer. The most popular and reliable one is BlueStacks. Head over to their official website and download the latest version. Once the download is complete, run the BlueStacks installer. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. It's a straightforward process. Just like installing any other software, you'll be asked to agree to terms and choose an installation location, then click install. After installation finish, BlueStacks will launch. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. This is crucial because it allows you to access the Google Play Store, just like on your Android phone. Now that you're logged in, open the Google Play Store from within BlueStacks. It looks and feels exactly like it does on your phone. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and hit enter. You'll find Clash Royale in the search results. Click on it and then hit the install button. BlueStacks will download and install the game for you. Once installed, you can launch Clash Royale directly from your BlueStacks home screen. Congratulations! You're now playing Clash Royale on your PC with a much bigger screen and the advantage of keyboard and mouse controls for precise troop placement. Experiment with the Keymapping feature in BlueStacks to customize your controls for the ultimate competitive edge. Now go forth and conquer the arena.